Hi guys, welcome to Tech tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to use Descript step-by-step Descript tutorial for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So let's begin with opening our Descript application in our computer. And here this is your account dashboard or homepage rather. Here on the left side panel of the screen, you'll be able to see the recent projects that you've created and your different workspaces as well. Here you'll be able to see the different templates and the videos that you've downloaded here with Descript. Here you can see that under recent projects you have all of the projects that you've created on this application, and but to create a new project just click on the button right here and you will be routed into this blank project where the first thing you need to do is create a title for your project, and either you can choose a file to transcribe, you can start recording, you can start writing, or you can start using a template for your Descript project here. So this is where you will be writing the name of your project, and for you to begin you can see here that on this left side panel of the screen this is where the scenes will be placed so that you will be able to show how many scenes you've created into your Descript project. Here on this button right here at the top part is where you'll be able to upload files. That's basically where all the medias that you'll be using for your project will be placed, and that's where you'll be able to search for images as well. So you can either use images and videos through your own files at your computer, or you can use videos and GIFs here with the stock images that you can use here with the script as well. Here you can see that there is photos that they can offer you that's from Unsplash, and they also have music and sound effects that you can use for your Descript project. Okay, right there. So now that we have a image uploaded here, you can see that beside the media icon, you can see that there's a recording icon right here where you can record audio, where you can record with a camera, or you can also screen record with your camera on it as well. So here you can see that you have the settings for what type of device you'll use for the microphone, and even the input settings where you want the studio sound and if you want all the words that you say on the recording to be transcribed as well. So when you're ready with the recording and you want to start record, just click on the record button and it will automatically transcribe anything that you say on the recording. Here beside the recording icon is the text where you'll be able to incorporate text into your scenes, and you have here the different shapes and elements as well. On this last icon is where you'll be able to see templates. For example, you do have titles, captions, slides, multicam that you can use for creating a intro for your project, or if you want to specify a specific part of your scenes that you want a template to be used for that. So you can use a template right here. And with this part right here, this is where you'll be able to see the preview of your project. So for example, you have the template used right here, and with every part of the template you can see that under layers, that's where you'll be able to see the text and the images that are being used into the template that you chose. You can either modify or you can change the image that's being used for that specific part of the scene. You can also go to media and then simply drag and drop the image into the scene, or you can also add a scene for that as well. So in order for you to add a scene, you can go ahead and just simply click here. You'll be able to add in audio as well, where when you click on record, there's a 3-second timer, and then you can now start recording. And to whatever words you will say, Descript will automatically translate or transcribe that for you, and it will be shown here into this part of the project that you have. Here, sometimes it may take a while to load all the transcription for the recording that you have, but you just need to wait for that to fully transcribe. Here, let's start to record again. Then when you're done recording, you can just click on stop recording, and then here you'll be able to see that there's a percentage on how much or how long the transcription will be finished. So as you can see, this is the recording that I set. So this is an example for the demo. And here on the timeline at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see that for every phrase and words that you used, there's a specific part of the timeline that you can simply modify that as well. So for example, you want to delete this part right here on the timeline at the bottom, it also will be deleted on the recording. So if you want to rearrange that, for example, you want the word or the phrase the demo at the first, and this is an example for would be at the end of the recording, you can definitely do so just by copy and pasting the demo phrase into the front of the image, and you can see that it automatically adjusts the recording as well. So here with the template that we used earlier, you can see that you will be able to add that. So you can just right click on the first scene on this left side panel of the screen, and then you can just click on add a scene above or add a scene below rather. You can either copy or paste the scenes that you have if you want that specific scene to be duplicated, and you just have minor changes for that. So here, so for example, on the scene you want to change a few details, you can definitely do so. And then you can even modify the pictures on the template that you used as well, or the words that are being used. You can actually just click on a specific part here on the preview pane, and then you can have either replace the image or the video. And then you can even add effects. You can change the opacity and the layout, or you can even add annotations into it as well. So once done here, you can go ahead and download your project, or you can add a person that you want to share the project with. If you want a collaboration, you can definitely do so. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click on publish. And then this project will be downloaded into your computer, or it will be saved into your device. So here you'll be able to use either a web link, or you can even set the resolution, and you can even modify on who can access the link that you will be using for this. Or you can also have the option to export the project that you have here on Descript. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!